Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the headphones Skullcandy Grind with using your iOS device. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold and in empty space, then click plus or edit at the left top, then scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you, let's say I prefer this one, click add widget and we can check a battery level. And the second one options is and the better is to use an application, so just open it and right here at the top we can check a battery level of the left one and right one earbuds, but not the charging case. I don't know why. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!